Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Model S Plaid and the Rimac Nevera. We will explore their incredible performance, practical range, and the significant differences in their pricing and exclusivity. Get ready to see how these two electric titans stack up against each other in a head-to-head battle of innovation and speed. When it comes to raw power, both cars are astonishing. The Tesla Model S Plaid offers 1,020 horsepower, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 1.99 seconds. The Rimac Nevera, however, pushes boundaries with 1,914 horsepower, achieving 60 miles per hour in just 1.81 seconds and a top speed of 258 miles per hour. For daily usability, range and charging are key. The Model S Plaid provides an estimated EPA range of 368 miles, powered by its 100 kilowatt-hour battery. The Nevera, with its 120 kilowatt-hour battery, offers a WLTP range of 300 miles. Both vehicles are equipped with advanced fast charging capabilities, allowing for quick recharges on the go. Finally, let's consider price and exclusivity. The Tesla Model S Plaid is available starting at around $89,990, offering incredible performance at a relatively accessible price point. In stark contrast, the Rimac Nevera is an ultra-exclusive hypercar with a starting price of approximately $2.1 million and a limited production run of only 150 vehicles worldwide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.